How to download HBO Max shows or movies to your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then download from HBO Max. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the HBO Max, and make sure that your device is also connected to Wi-Fi. HBO Max will not download over cellular data connections. Now once you open the application, tap on the show that you want to download to see its details page with the show description. So basically you will see this kind of interface when you open up any of the shows on which you want to download, and all you have to do is tap on the download button, which is right next at the bottom to that particular show. So you can see tap download on any shows or movies details page as over here. Once you do that, you have basically went ahead and downloaded that particular shows. Now when you want to watch the downloaded show or movie, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, which is right at the bottom right. Then tap on the download section and you'll see a list of all of your downloaded shows and movies, along with how much time is remaining to watch them before they go ahead and then expire. And you also have to make sure that if you want to remove a downloaded show from your device before it automatically expires, tap edit in the download section, then tap on the X icon next to any videos that you're no longer interested in keeping, and just like that you would have also successfully deleted the downloads. But just to give you a brief idea, this is how you can download shows from HBO Max. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.